Hello there, folks. Hey, this is Joe here. Hey, this quick video is going to use a USB stick in the back of a graphite HMI and also on a flex edge and see if we can read-write files to that stick like we can with our SD memory card or a micro SD memory card is in the flex edge. So I'm just showing you right here. This is what's on the stick right here. I've got Windows open, and if I go to my Graphite Crimson 3.2 database, I am using, in this case, over in my core primitives, not core primitives, sorry, in the system primitives, the second row from the top, the right-hand column, I'm using a couple file viewers here. And the first one I drug out is going to be looking at the C drive on that unit, which should be the SD memory card in that unit. And then this one here should be looking at the D drive, which I believe is going to be the USB stick. And then in this case, over here in device configuration, I don't know if you have to do this or not, but down here under USB devices, I did enable the card here. I don't know if you have to do that. And transfers, I got set up just copy files. That's about all I'm doing here. So I don't even know if you have to do that. You know what? I'm going to disable these two. Let's disable that. Let's go ahead and download that to it. Okay. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and try this out. And here comes the web page up for this thing. Make this a little bigger so we can all kind of see what may or may not happen here. Maybe not. Okay. So there it is. Now, if I hit scan here, this doesn't seem to show anything that's on the SD card. And this one here is going to be the USB. So let me walk over there and plug this in. Give me a second. All right, I plugged it into the unit. It made a little noise. Let's see if I hit the scan this time. Okay, look there. It found a file, a CSV, and I think it closed because I shut that, darn it. But anyway, that was on the file. Is there a next file? There's another one called hello text. It doesn't show that. Okay, that's great. And then there's also an SMTP log. Okay, so that's reading from there. There's nothing on the resident card. What about this find file first? If I press that, it goes and finds something called logs. And if I show you here, that button is calling a program that's using the find file first. So it did that, and then I put a count thing just to show that every time you press it, it finds it. So it is finding on here a directory called logs. I can't see it here. However, if I turn on, I'm pretty sure I did this. Over here under the FTP server, I've got that enabled. And so if I go open up my core FTP program, which I like to use, all I need to know is what's the IP address for. Okay. So if I go here, that should be that one. Hit the connect button. And under drive D, there's the logs. That's the first thing it found. That is correct. I think you could work with this. Now let's do the same thing with that same stick, and let's plug it into our DA70 here. So let me go check our DA70 program. Got this guy here. I want to make this the main page. I'll move it on top. Let me download that to it. Same exact example. This one here is looking at the C drive. This one's going to look at the D drive. Okay. Let me go grab the stick out of that HMI and bring it over here. So give me a second. All right, I'm going to plug this into the DA70. Let's see what happens here. Actually, let me pull up the page before I do this. Oh, well, that already read that, so that's pretty cool. I just plug that in there. And if I hit scan, look, it's reading it. Perfect. That's wonderful. And how about this one? It finds logs, so that's so true. Anyway, I think those features, well, the moral of the story here is that you need to put in here D // if you want to see that drive, or C. And let me just show you something here. Over here in the system, if you go down to the file, somebody's inquiring about this find file first and find file next. If I right click on this and do show help info, brings it up. There's the function, and there's the D memory stick. E is the flex edge. I don't know if and the C is the normal. Does it not say that? That might be the problem here. Hold on. Well, this one shows the C, and we're seeing all the stuff there. So what happened to the other guy? This one shows nothing. What do I got over here? Hold on. Let me just try something real quick. Does it say C? It says C. Oh, maybe it's these. Hold on. That was it. I needed to see all that stuff, I think. Let me download this real quick here. Hold on, team. Let's see if it shows stuff. Oh, yeah. Perfect. Yep. And I guess there's only one file in there. But anyway, just a quick video on that. I don't know if that makes sense to anybody, but I'm just using the file viewer to show files on there. And what I'm trying to prove here is that I can interact with the USB stick just like I can the resident SD memory card, I believe. Anyway, thanks a lot, folks. Have a great day. See you guys.